Okay, today class we are going to work on time. Time is a hard subject for a lot of people, so we're going to use two options that you can use. Let's just find one that we like and use that one. The word problem that we're going to work on today is I will wake up on Saturday at 8:15. I have a party at 1 p.m. How long will I have to wait after I wake up until I can go to the party? So the information that we know is that my party is going to start at 8:15. I'm sorry, that I'm going to wake up at 8:15 and my party is going to start at 1 p.m. So the first option I'm going to do is a number line. And on this number line, we're going to put the time we're waking up, which is 8:15 a.m. We're also going to put the time that we are going to the party, which is 1 p.m. And then we're going to also include in here the noon hour, which is 12 p.m. The first jump that we're going to make is the one that's going to get us to the round number. So on my number line, I'm going to go from 8:15 to 9 o'clock. That jump is going to be a 45-minute jump. If you look at a clock, it starts here at 12, 3, 6, 9. We've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So if we're going from this time all the way to this time, we know that we're going, that right there is 15, and then this right here is actually 30. And that's how I came up with the 45, because 30 plus 15, 15 is 5, 3, 4, 45. So that's where this number came from. Now we're going to do our next jumps, which are going to be whole number jumps. Our first jump is going to take us from this 9 a.m. time to noon. So we're going to think about this, and we're going to go from 9 to noon. So we've got 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 4 hours. I'm sorry, that's 3 hours there. And there's an hour, there's an hour, and there's an hour. There's your 3 hours. Then I've got to jump from 12 to 1, which is easy enough because that's just 1 hour. Now when I add all these up, I've got 3 hours and 1 hour. That's going to equal 4 hours. And then I've also got the 45 minutes. So that's our answer, is it's gonna take me from 8:15, I have to wait 4 hours and 45 minutes. This is the number line way. I'm gonna also show you the make 60 way. On the make 60 approach, it's somewhat the same because we're gonna start at 8:15, and then we're gonna add the 45 minutes. Sorry, I might not be able to see this marker. We're going to add the 45 minutes to make that 9. And then from there, we're going to keep adding 60 minutes. So there's a 60 minute there. And that's going to put us at 10. And then there's a 60 minute there, which is going to put us at 11. A 60 minute here, which is going to put us at 12. And then we've got 1 p.m., another 60. And then we're just going to add these up. I'm going to take these two 60s and make that 120 minutes. And then I'm going to take these two 60s and make that 120 minutes. Then I'm going to bring those over here. 120 plus 120 equals 4, 2. Then I've still got my 45 minutes. There's 5. There's 8. There's 2. So if we're going to do it that makes 60, we make it into minutes, and it's 285 minutes. Now the misconception that I'm going to tell you is sometimes people, when they're counting, instead of going from 12 in the afternoon to 1, they go 12, 13, 14, 15. Now that's like military time. We need to go 11, well actually start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Start back at 1. So let's try to keep that in mind, and we can always write this little clock on our paper when we're working so we can refer to that, because there's my 3 hours, there's my 30 minutes, and then I had the 1 extra hour. That's why we ended up with 4. And those are my 2 methods.